G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com. And I'm here in the brand new Photoshop Elements 2024 to show you one of the new features in the guided edit mode. We're here in the Elements editor. Let's click on the guided edit mode and check out the brand new add text feature. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to need to open a photo. We're going to click add text. Let's add some text. We can choose from a number of different type modes: horizontal, a vertical, text on a selection, text on a shape, and text on a path. Let's just keep it simple and go with the horizontal type tool. As with any guided edit, you'll just work through the process as prompted in the right-hand panel. So we're just going to click and type our text. You'll notice that by default, we now have some text. So if you've ever had that awkward moment where you've added a type layer and then there's nothing in there and it's impossible to select it again, yep, that won't happen anymore. And you'll see that no longer is it a green check mark or tick, as we call it here down under, and then a red cancel sign. Now we just have black icons. So RIP to me having to edit every blog post I've ever done. Now we get to add a text style. Let's see what we've got here. We've got a stroke around the edge, got 3D effects here. You can always click on advanced, which takes us to the style settings, and we can go ahead and change the shadow, the bevel, and the stroke. We can change the position of the stroke as well. So when you're happy with how everything looks, you click OK. And then you can optionally add a gradient or pattern to your text. Let's zoom in a bit. We can use the zoom tool here or the zoom slider, and we can use the hand tool to move things around. And let's have a look. Do we want to fill it with flowers? Yes, we can. Do we want it filled with leaves? Yes, we can. There's lots of fun options. Leopard, fluffy pink, unicorn sparkles, chrome. There's also fun gradients, which you can also reverse if you so choose. I'm going to go with that. And then we click next. We get to choose whether we want to save as or save. I'm going to save as because I need to save it as a PSD file so I can come back and edit it later. And then I can click continue editing in quick or in advanced mode. I'm going to go with advanced mode because advanced mode is the one I'm most familiar with and it has access to all of the tools. But you can switch between modes by clicking the buttons at the top of the window at any time. That is the new add type guided edit. It's really handy for you if you haven't been using the Photoshop Elements too much, you're not quite sure how to get the effects you want, and you might see this image in a YouTube thumbnail coming sometime soon. If you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I release new videos about Photoshop Elements. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to learn more about Adobe Photoshop Elements 2024, digital scrapbooking, or editing your photos, you can head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.